Hey friends, hope you guys are all doing great. Today we're going to practice reading some words and changing beginning sounds and then rereading them, and then we will read through the Act 1 of the Super Kids skit, The Glum Princess. So starting up here, we're looking at this word in red. Right now it starts with ol. If I chopped it out, it would be ol-ids, lids. Like there's more than one lid. I'm going to change the ol to a k. Now I have id, kids. Okay, that S at the end makes it more than one. So if I had one kid, there would be no S, but the S means there's kids, like we have kids in our classroom. Next word, this orange one, I see ick, lick. This is that short I sound. So C and K squish together to make one K sound at the end. We'll change the beginning now to a K. I have now ick, kick, like you would kick the ball. Down to our yellow word, starting with is, miss, like in Cass's name at the end there, those two S's come together to make one sound, kind of like the CK. Add a K to the beginning, now it's is, kiss, like I give Perry a kiss on her face. Now this one, guys, the green word, is starting with I see it, hit. I'm actually going to change this beginning to our new qua sound. Remember, Q says qua, the U's kind of silent, it squeezes in there. It's qua, it, quit, like you quit something when you're done with it. Next one, the blue word, guys, starting with that t sound, I see t, ilt, tilt, like if I was tilted over, it's kind of like leaning off to the side. Change that t to another qua, Q-U, qua. Now it says qua, ilt, quilt. Like a quilt is a special kind of blanket that someone might sew together. And then the last one, friends, right now, it's starting with that b sound. Ready? Ack, back. Again, I have my short vowel, the CK come together at the end to make one k sound. But we're going to change the beginning to qua again. And now it says qua, ack, quack, like the duck says quack. Real quick before we start looking at the act for the Super Kids, some of the words we're going to see. Popcorn word, our new one. Like, popcorn word. Love, oops, love of, yep, OV together says of. This next one with a no, that's another popcorn word. This word we could tap out, ick, pick, like you pick something. This rhymes with pick, but starts with ick, sick, you're not feeling well. This one starts with a right here I'm at in, grin, like you smile, you could grin. Next one, contest, contest, like you might have a contest at school. And then the last one down here is that problem. So that's like a problem, kind of read it different than we say it, but problem. So the Super Kids are putting on their skit. They might run into a problem. Okay, so we see the Queen, Edabetta, and the King, Sal. And our story was called, or the skit was called The Glum Princess. And this is Act 1, The Problem. So there's something wrong right now in the Super Kids skit. Edabetta says, so we'll go back and forth, each different character has lines. The princess is a problem. Sal, the king, says, is the princess sick? See that question mark there because he's asking her, he's not sure. Queen Edabetta says, no, the princess is not sick. The princess is sad and glum. So we know that, just judging by the story, we knew she was going to be sad. Trying to think, though, of maybe some things that might make her sad. Maybe her tummy hurts, or she's hungry, or she fell down and like scraped her arm. Those could be reasons that you might feel sad or kind of bummed out. So the queen and the king are trying to think of some ways that they can make her feel better. King says, will gifts help the princess? Queen says, no, the princess has lots of fun gifts. But the princess is still glum. So you guys can kind of see up here, does she have lots of cool stuff? Like I see a bike and a train and a ball, a teapot. So she does have a lot of things, and I hope that she's still being thankful for those things. But, they are acting right now. Okay, so King Sal says, let's put on a pet contest. The princess can pick an animal for a pet. The queen says, and the princess will grin at last. So they're thinking she has all this really cool stuff already, but what's something else that could make her happy? A pet, a Perry, right? She does need a Perry, but I don't think she's going to get one of those. So they think to themselves, let's put on a contest for her. Maybe that will make her smile. So right here, guys, it says, but will the princess like a pet? Now remember, Icky was that question mark. So he's the one kind of at the end of the sentence, like asking, is she going to like it? And there's our popcorn word like. So Icky's asking us a few questions. Will the princess popcorn word like, Like, a big pet? So if you think that she's going to like a big pet, you could sign yes. Next question. Will the princess like an odd pet? So maybe something that not everybody has. Maybe something different from like a cat or a dog. Maybe she'd like that. I don't know. And then the last question. Will the princess, this missing popcorn word here would be like a fat pet. Do you think she's going to want a fat pet? I don't know. You could say 4. Okay, guys, so that is Act 1. And you guys can practice writing that popcorn word like. You can try to write it at least 3 times, since that's how many times that we would have written it in our book. Like is our popcorn word like, okay? So we'll find out when we keep reading tomorrow what kind of pets the people bring to the contest, and if the princess is going to like a big pet, an odd pet, or a fat pet. Or will she like a pet at all? We will find out. And thanks for listening.